Welcome back to Manna Home Design, the channel where we explore small apartments, smart storage ideas, and cozy homes designed for real life. If you love New York City studio apartments, clever layouts, and practical design inspiration, you're in the right place. Brilliant 290 square foot New York City studio with IKEA storage solutions. This entire apartment is just 290 square feet, but it proves that small space living doesn't have to feel small at all. Located in a historic Midtown Manhattan building, this 290 square foot New York City studio apartment shows how thoughtful layout, smart storage, and intentional design can turn limited square footage into a comfortable, functional, and deeply livable home. Right from the entry, you'll see how every inch is used with purpose, not for show, but for everyday life. If you enjoy smart small space ideas and cozy home tours, hit subscribe and join us here at Manna Home Design. Kitchen, dining, and smart storage. This is the kitchen and dining area of a 290 square foot New York City studio, where counter space is extremely limited and appliances are noticeably compact, an everyday reality of small New York apartment living. Despite the size, smart storage solutions make everything work. An expandable dining table allows hosting up to 8 guests, while a repurposed china cabinet functions as kitchen storage and a personal home bar, blending function and personality. With a lazy Susan, clear storage bins, and thoughtful organization, this space proves that even the smallest apartment therapy-style kitchen can support cooking, hosting, and daily life without sacrificing warmth or charm. Vertical storage, entry wall. In a 290 square foot studio apartment, floor space is precious, which is why vertical storage becomes essential. Near the entry, the walls do the heavy lifting in this New York City studio. Wall-mounted storage bins placed high above eye level hold tote bags, backpacks, and seasonal coats, demonstrating how vertical space transforms a tight apartment into a functional home. This approach keeps everyday items accessible while maintaining visual calm, reinforcing a key principle of smart small apartment design: look up, stay organized, and keep clutter off the floor. Bathroom storage. The bathroom in this small New York City studio apartment comes with very limited built-in storage, a common challenge in older New York buildings. To solve this, a slim 6-drawer storage unit was added to hold hair products, makeup, and daily essentials. Simple, affordable, and highly functional. This setup proves that small apartment storage doesn't need to be complicated. A few intentional additions can turn a tight bathroom into an organized, stress-free space. Living plus sleeping area with fireplace. This is the heart of the 290 square foot New York City studio, the combined living and sleeping area. With only one small closet, storage was the biggest challenge from the very beginning. IKEA Billy bookcases line the wall, functioning as a wardrobe, shoe closet, media console, and book storage. The sofa sits against a decorative fireplace, allowing room for work-from-home needs without losing character. With exposed brick, south-facing light, thrifted art, and a vintage mirror, this space feels layered and lived in, proof that smart IKEA solutions and thoughtful layout can create a truly cozy studio. Storage details and hidden organization. In a small New York studio apartment, visual clutter can quickly overwhelm a space, which is why hidden storage plays such an important role. Cupboard baskets inside the IKEA shelving system conceal cables, games, and everyday items, while shelves balance practical storage with curated personal belongings. By keeping less attractive items out of sight, the apartment maintains a calm, organized feel, an essential strategy for apartment therapy style small space living. Personal displays and collections. Personality shines through in this 290 square foot New York City studio through small, meaningful displays rather than oversized decor. Repurposed spice racks and compact shelves showcase playful collections like arcade souvenirs and figurines, adding joy without overwhelming the space. These personal touches remind us that small apartments don't have to feel minimal or sterile. They can be expressive, warm, and full of story. Bedroom zone and underbed storage. The sleeping area in this New York studio apartment benefits from beautiful south-facing windows and exposed brick that flood the space with natural light. A bed with hydraulic lift storage hides seasonal items and holiday decorations, making use of otherwise wasted space, an essential move in tiny apartment living. Layered pillows, including handmade family heirlooms, add softness and emotional depth, turning a functional sleep zone into a deeply comforting retreat. from home desk. This compact desk setup reflects how the 290 square foot New York City studio evolved to support working from home during different seasons of life. A statement desk phone, playful gaming accessories, and personal decor turn a small workspace into something both functional and expressive. More than storage or layout, this apartment represents safety, comfort, and authenticity, a reminder that home isn't about size, but about how it makes you feel. At the end of the day, home isn't about square footage, it's about feeling comfortable, supported, and truly yourself. Thank you for spending time with us at Manna Home Design. See you in the next home tour.